English Shadowing Practice. Title: 99 Sentences. In the Shopping Mall, English Shadowing Practice with James. Trainer, James. Opening hook. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Shadowing Practice. I'm James, and today we're going shopping. Yes, we're going to the shopping mall. You will hear 99 sentences you can use anywhere in the world when you shop. I'll say each sentence 2 times. You repeat after me. Let's start. Arriving at the mall. I'm going to the shopping mall. I'm going to the shopping mall. Where is the nearest shopping mall? Where is the nearest shopping mall? This mall is so big. This mall is so big. I love shopping here. I love shopping here. Let's meet at the main entrance. Let's meet at the main entrance. What time does the mall open? What time does the mall open? What time does the mall close? What time does the mall close? Is there parking available? Is there parking available? The parking lot is full. The parking lot is full. Let's take the escalator. Let's take the escalator. Inside the mall, this store looks interesting. This store looks interesting. Let's check out the sale. Let's check out the sale. Do you have a shopping cart? Do you have a shopping cart? I just want to browse. I just want to browse. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? The restroom is on the 2nd floor. The restroom is on the 2nd floor. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? The fitting room is over there. The fitting room is over there. This doesn't fit me. This doesn't fit me. Do you have a bigger size? Do you have a bigger size? Talking to shop assistants. Excuse me, how much is this? Excuse me, how much is this? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Do you have this in another color? Do you have this in another color? Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount? I'm just looking. Thank you. I'm just looking. Thank you. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Can you gift wrap it? Can you gift wrap it? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Can I pay in cash? Can I pay in cash? Please give me a receipt. Please give me a receipt. Food court? Restaurants. Let's go to the food court. Let's go to the food court. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I want a burger and fries. I want a burger and fries. Can I have a coffee, please? Can I have a coffee, please? Is this table free? Is this table free? Let's share a pizza. Let's share a pizza. The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. This drink is too sweet. This drink is too sweet. Let's get some dessert. Let's get some dessert. Asking for directions. Where is the information desk? Where is the information desk? How do I get to the cinema? How do I get to the cinema? Is there a bookstore here? Is there a bookstore here? The elevator is on the left. The elevator is on the left. The escalator is on the right. The escalator is on the right. Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Is there an ATM in this mall? Is there an ATM in this mall? The ATM is next to the pharmacy. The ATM is next to the pharmacy. The shop is on the 3rd floor. The shop is on the 3rd floor. Follow the signs to the food court. Follow the signs to the food court. Common shopping phrases. This is too expensive. This is too expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? I'm looking for a gift. I'm looking for a gift. This is perfect for me. This is perfect for me. Can I exchange this? Can I exchange this? I'd like to return this. I'd like to return this. The quality is very good. The quality is very good. This is my favorite brand. This is my favorite brand. I'm not sure if I need this. I'm not sure if I need this. Let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Entertainment extra services. There's a music concert in the mall. There's a music concert in the mall. Let's go to the cinema. Let's go to the cinema. There's a kids' play area. There's a kids' play area. Let's take some photos. Let's take some photos. This place is so crowded. This place is so crowded. There's a free Wi-Fi zone. There's a free Wi-Fi zone. Let's check the directory map. Let's check the directory map. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. The security guard is over there. The security guard is over there. I lost my shopping bag. I lost my shopping bag. Leaving the mall, I'm tired from shopping. I'm tired from shopping. Let's go home. Let's go home. I spent too much money. I spent too much money. I got everything I needed. I got everything I needed. Did you enjoy shopping? Did you enjoy shopping? Let's come again next week. Let's come again next week. We should visit another mall. We should visit another mall. I left my wallet in the car. I left my wallet in the car. Don't forget your bags. Don't forget your bags. Thanks for shopping with me. Thanks for shopping with me. Bonus practical sentences. Is there a lost and found? Is there a lost and found? Where can I buy shoes? Where can I buy shoes? Can I get a shopping bag? Can I get a shopping bag? Do you have a loyalty card? Do you have a loyalty card? I'm using my membership discount. I'm using my membership discount. This is out of stock. This is out of stock. When will it be available? When will it be available? Can I reserve it? Can I reserve it? I need a shopping basket. I need a shopping basket. Where is the cashier? Where is the cashier? Friendly, chat while shopping. This mall is beautiful. This mall is beautiful. I like this shop's music. I like this shop's music. That's a great deal. That's a great deal. Let's split the bill. Let's split the bill. Do you want to see more stores? Do you want to see more stores? I'll wait for you here. I'll wait for you here. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. I'm done shopping for today. I'm done shopping for today. See you at the entrance. See you at the entrance. Closing. Well done. You've just practiced 99 real-life shopping sentences in English. Listen to this video again and again until you can say every sentence fast and naturally. If you enjoyed this practice, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join me next time for more English shadowing with James.